Alright, let's just jump right into it. I've previously washed my hair with some Moisturise hair shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to spray some water in my hair. Make sure it's nice and moisturized with lots and lots of water. That's what 4C natural hair needs. Yeah, spray. Keep spraying some water in it. Then I'm gonna finger detangle. I tried to use less comb in my hair because my hair is type 4C, very coarse. Finger comb. Then I'm gonna take the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, my favorite, and spray my hair and detangle some more. I try to get most of the knots out with that. I do this daily. Very quick and easy, just water and leave-in conditioner daily. This is how you moisturize your 4C hair. Just stick to that for now. Not too much products. Then I'm gonna split it into two. Tie the back down because I'm trying to achieve a low bun style. Tie the back, and then I'll stretch the top and put it together, brush it down to the back. This is what I do daily, really, because I have no time. As a mother, it's just so hard to even look after your hair. This style is super simple. Yeah, so I try to get all of that together, and then as you guys can see, my hair is still recovering from some postpartum hair loss. There we are. Get it all together. And twist it. Then I go ahead and slick it down with the Eco Styler gel. Yeah, just work your hands through it. Slick it down. Make sure it's laid down flat. Then brush it down. So try your best and get it as flat as possible. Even if you have to tie it again. Always make sure your edges are nice and neat on fleek. Then go ahead and tie it down with a silk scarf or do-rag. Not too tight. Tight enough to keep it down. I let that dry for about 10 to 15 minutes And within that time, I go ahead and do my makeup for the day. Just a quick, simple makeup. My intercessor, strengthener, counselor, you are. Stand by, advocate. You're my intercessor, strengthener, counselor. Once my makeup is done, I go ahead and take off my do-rag and do the final touches of my hair. So I'll take a piece of Afro kinky hair extensions and then wrap it with a little elastic band, then wrap it around my hair, wrap it around my natural hair. This is just to get a bit of body, you know, so it's nice and fuller around the back. And yeah, that's it really. It doesn't have to be perfect, just wrap it around just to give it a bit of body, and this is it. Ready for the day. Quick, super simple hairstyle and makeup done for all the busy people out there. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and like for more videos like this.